Dora the Explorer, Dora's Treasure Hunt. Hola, I am Dora and this is my friend Boots. We are going on a treasure hunt. Will you help us find the way to Treasure Island? Great! Map says we have to go over the icky sticky sand, cross Crocodile Lake, and that's how we get to Treasure Island. First, we have to cross the icky sticky sand, but the bridge is broken. Will you find the missing pieces? Thanks for helping us get over the icky sticky sand. We can use that boat to get across Crocodile Lake. What should we wear too? So we can be safe. We made it to Treasure Island. What do we need to open the treasure chest? A key. Check backpack for a key with 3 points so we can open the treasure chest. Lohikimos, we did it. We opened the treasure chest. Look at all the treasure inside. Hooray!